how to create a contact form in Elementor. So here I've just opened up the Elementor website and I'm going to open up my website in the editor. So hover over your website, edit with Elementor. Now, after we have the website editor open here, we will select the section where we want to add our contact form as well as the page. I'll just add it on my home page for this tutorial. Click on the plus sign and use the search bar to search for form. Click on the first option here and it's going to automatically add a form. Now what we can do here is we can change the form name, so we can do contact us. And we can also add new links here to our form. So if I click on add item, we can add new fields. Yeah, the fields is the word I was looking for. And we can also change the type that the new field is. So for example, here you can see all of the code, and the type of the field can be email, URL, number, date, password, reCAPTCHA, all of these. So for example, let's say I want to do radio. It's going to add a radio URL. It's going to add URL. Now you can obviously customize this contact form to your liking here, as well as from the styles page. So if or the styles tab here, we can make the text darker, and we can also change other colors here. As for the advanced option, the advanced tab here, you can also customize this contact form to your liking, and basically it's going to look like this, and you can readjust the order of which your different fields appear in. So for example, email is first, name is second, and you can delete different fields by clicking on this X button. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.